Hey, today I want to show you how to add World Cup widgets to your site. I've got this API service, Statorium. They offer World Cup data, and what I did, I bought the standard package, 177 USD, and now I'm able to create widgets, HTML widgets. So what I do, I open my members area and visit the interface for creating the widgets. So here I've created the first widget, it's standing. Okay, let's see what is possible. On the right side you see the generated by system block, and if I change here anything in any field, for example I add some alternative title, it's automatically generated, so you actually see how it looks like. So let's check the options. The first option I want to show is the template. It is the thing to deliver the design. There are pre-made design available, for example this black or this alternative dark design. Couple of nice pre-made designs for white color background, and you can change almost any design item inside the block. So for example you might want to change the font or font size or some tags, and if you change the font it also changes on the right side. I might want to add some extra columns here, so for example current form or draw. And what I can do, I can change the name of the column, so for example not current form or last 5 instead, and I can use that renaming to localize the content if I have the alternative language. Okay, so I rename the columns. I want to select previous cup to show you how current form looks like. I can change the language for the block to make it, for example, Arabic. You see, everything is translated to Arabic. Columns you can translate here, let's say Dutch. I can filter by group, so if I want to show a table of one selected group, it is also possible. And I have the different types of names available. For example, team name for is public or short. What is good for mobile? I can remove logo, keep it, and then once your table is ready, once you're happy with that, you can publish the code. You can copy the JavaScript generated by system and then insert it into your site or web app. I will show you the process later. So let's get back and see how other type of widget looks like. We will create matches widget. This is very popular thing. So let's put some site, select the season. Okay, put my title. So it has a name and save. So the first thing I want to show is the template. I might want to select a nicely prepared white design. So I can change the language here. So for example, if my site is Arabic, I want to show it all in Arabic, or let's say Dutch. You see they have the match day name translated to Dutch, and it is not available in Arabic. If that is the case, you can contact Statorium team, they will help you with that. So I might select the previous cap, but remove the filters by house. Okay, I see played matches. Okay, I might want to change it to quantity 6. I can also change the separator for coming matches to B, or maybe remove it. I can show the matches of one selected groups. So for example, group C matches. Also I have 3 types of names, so public name, or for example short, for mobile. And I also have some additional options like venue and group. Okay, so you can see there are additional names available. So once it's ready, so for example I want this dark template, I can publish the code and use the JavaScript to publish it on my site. Next widget I want to show is events widget. It actually should be named player events. So we select the season for coming match. It's you see player events. So for example, I want to show goals. Okay, let's choose the template to art light, and we might want to change it to previous cap to see actually the stats. I want to change the quantity to 6 players, show assists, and have the short name for players, and probably no photos, logos. I neither need the nationality, and I want to have the short public name and maybe get back photos. Okay, nice. So I publish that widget to my site. Let's see what other widgets offered by Statorium. There is transfer widget, but it's not applicable for the World Cup, and it is part of the premium package. So I don't show it in that video. There is one more option available, match slider, but I know it's not ready yet. So I will create a separate video once it is available. It shall be ready before the World Cup. So let's publish the current widget that I have. So for example, I want to add matches to my site. Let me show you how what is the process. What I do, I publish the code, I copy the JavaScript code generated, and I want to show it on my WordPress site. I open the WordPress site, I create the new page. Okay, here I select code, or let's say short code block, and I paste the short code generated and publish the page. Okay, once it's published, I can check how it looks like. And you see the code that we generated here, the block we generated, actually added. If you like my video, please put your likes and subscribe. We will be glad to provide you more interesting content about our widgets and blocks. Thank you.